2020 BMW 340. That's what it sounds like before. M340. Gonna put a full Dinan catback exhaust on it. So this is what it sounds like before. Sound decibels right at 89. It's very quiet. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna change that. All right, guys, we got a 2020 sexy blue BMW 340 M package. Look at this thing. Woo! Sexy. And what we got done on it is Dinan. Here's the part number right here. Exhaust system. It fits all the M340i's and X drives and everything. All right, there'll be a link in the description for it. That's what it looks like right there. It was a little bit of a pain to get put on, but we got it done. Our guys at Exhaust Annex know exactly how to do it. Let me show you what we've done. So it's got the converter up there somewhere, and it's got the famous 3.5-inch bent down pipe from BMW. Then it wires out to 2, and then there was little like divots here and here you have to cut out. That was the point. And then you ran true duals. The only thing that really gave us trouble was the valves right there, because this BMW comes with 1 valve and you have to do it into a 2-valve system. So you have to bring down like all these bolts and run the wire and adapter and all that good stuff, but we got it done. There's the valve system, as you guys can see. It's a pain in the butt, but it's cool. It's still cool looking at the same time. There's a sexy muffler, just a really clean Dinan design right there, all the way through. There's the tips on it right there. Came out really clean, really nice. And that's the factory system that was on it. With this system, you take that valve off, put it on the new system, and then you have to unbolt the tips and put the new tips on. So it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner than the old style that you can see right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. 2021 BMW M340i M package on it. Really beautiful car, twin turbo. What we got done on it, there's a factory downpipe, then it duals out the back, as you guys can see on each side, there and there. Then we did a rear muffler delete right there and right there. And then these come with a valve that opens and closes. So we just tack it to the side of the pipe, as you guys can see there. Keep it plugged in so the car thinks it's still there and doesn't throw any check engine lights. You gotta make sure it stays plugged in, because we did it without it being plugged in and the light came on for it. So make sure you guys do this to it. This is the old muffler that was on it. It comes dual in right there, and the valve was on that side. That's why you see it cut. That's what it looks like on this side. But that's the original muffler. It's huge. We just took it off. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, and they're really proud of their tips, so they put the name on them. Dana. At idle, it is quiet. This is an eco, right? Okay, this is closed. So it still sounds good with it closed. Your sound decibels are closed. So it's right at 100 when it's closed. It still sounds sick now. Again? Go ahead now, open the valves. Sport mode. Definitely hear the difference in yeah, there he goes. Now you can hear the pops. Go ahead, do it again. Yeah, it's right at 109 now. Yeah, definitely a difference. All right. And there's the old exhaust system. Yeah, disgusting. So much better. What do you think? You approve of this one? He approves of that one. The first one, no. Not that truck. Remember the truck? You don't approve of that one. That's too round. That looks so good. Yeah, so it looks good too. Open up. Now open. I love that pop. Imagine when you get the downpipe.
Oh, downpipe's ridiculous.
Oh god. He's going with the downpipe next, guys. We're not gonna do it, but yeah. Let you guys hear it. When you go down the road, they'll probably marvel. Is it? It's probably not as. This is a normal mode, eco or whatever. Again. Sport mode, guys. Again. 109. Awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Sounds good, man. If you put that downpipe like you're saying, it's gonna get crazy loud. But yeah, wait till the horns, just in case. This sounds so good. We'll let you guys hear on that. M340 with a Dinan catback system in sport mode. I love the blue, my favorite color on cars. Then we got the Lexus with the horns. See if it flies off. There's the idle one. Oh, that sounds phenomenal. Look at that marble. Woo!